Magandang araw! Sama-sama tayong matuto sa Teacher Sal Learning Resource Channel. English 4, Quarter 1, Week 4. For the content, we have singular and plural nouns, mass and count nouns, singular and plural subject, personal pronoun, regular and irregular verbs, subject-verb agreement. Use the pictures below to make compound words. Let us now answer. Number 1 is firefighter. 2. Raincoat. Number 3 is sunflower. Number 4 is dragonfly. Number 5 is seahorse. Look around our school. What do you see? What do we call teachers, learners, and principals? How about a blackboard, pencil, books, and tables? How about the canteen, school clinic, and principal's office? What do we call dogs, cats, and chickens? In one word, what do we call them? They are all names. Do you know what we call these names? We call them nouns. What are nouns? Let's talk about singular and plural nouns. This time, we will study the number of nouns. We call them singular and plural nouns. We will also know the difference between singular nouns and plural nouns. Let us read these examples. Bag is the singular noun, while bags is the plural noun. Church is the singular noun, while churches is the plural noun. Child is the singular noun, while children is the plural noun. How many bags are there? How many churches are there? How many children are there? Bag, church, and child are examples of singular nouns. Bags, churches, and children are examples of plural nouns. Let's read the story, then answer the questions. Rovi Ann's Birthday by Glovic R. Bustamante. Rovi Ann is very excited because it is her birthday. The Reliara family will celebrate it on the beach. Mother wakes up early to buy the things needed for cooking food that they will bring to the beach. She goes to the market early to buy fish, fruits, and vegetables. She also goes to the market to buy the things she needs for cooking. When she returns home, she cooks the food to be brought to the beach. Rovi Ann prepares the spoons, forks, and knives. She also prepares the glasses, plates, and saucers in one container. She also prepares fruits like bananas, watermelon, and mangoes in another container. Everything is ready and everybody is excited to go to the beach. They even bring their pet dog Blackie with them. Who will go to the beach? The Reliara family will go to the beach. Where will the Reliara family go? They will go to the beach. What are the things that they will bring to the beach? They will bring cooked food, spoons, forks, knives, glasses, plates, saucers, and fruits like bananas, watermelon, and mangoes. Aside from the things that they will bring, what else do they bring with them? They also bring their pet dog, Blackie. What occasion are they going to celebrate on the beach? They are going to celebrate Robbie Ann's birthday. These words are called nouns. What is a noun? Nouns are names of persons, places, things, animals, and events. Let's define what is singular noun. A singular noun refers to only one person, place, animal, thing, and event. A plural noun refers to more than one person, place, animal, thing, and event. Here are examples. For singular nouns, mother, plural, mothers, market, markets, container, containers, dog, dogs. What is a singular noun? A plural noun. As shown in the given table, how do the nouns form their plural? Here are another set of examples. For singular, fairy, plural, fairies, story, stories, elf, elves, loaf, loaves. How do we form the plural of these nouns? Next, for singular child, plural children, tooth, teeth, foot, feet. Let's discuss about count and mass nouns. Mass nouns, vinegar, patis, and water are examples of mass nouns. What does a mass noun mean? Mass nouns are nouns that cannot be counted separately. Examples: rice, vinegar, soup. Bags, notebooks, and pencils are examples of count nouns. What does a count noun mean? Count nouns are nouns that can be counted as one or more. They can be counted individually. Examples: apples, tomatoes. For the count nouns, we have cake, glasses, oven, cup. For mass nouns, rice, butter, sugar, milk. Identify if the underlined word is a singular or plural noun. Number 1, the butterfly is very colorful. The clowns are laughing. My pencil is new. The children are dancing. My bag is heavy. Here are the correct answers. For your group activities, your class will be divided into 5 groups. Your group will be given a task. Write 5 nouns that can be found in the classroom. Then write if it is singular or plural. Example: books, plural. For group 2, read the given nouns. Then write if it is a singular noun or a plural noun. We have bus, ball, churches, key, children. For group 3, pick out the nouns used in the sentences, then write if it is singular or plural. Example: our class will clean it later. The noun is class and it is singular. She will go to the market tomorrow. The baby is smiling at me. That butterfly is colorful. The children are playing happily. I walk my dog every morning. Group 4. Read the following nouns and put them under the proper column. Count nouns or mass nouns. The words are soup, milk, eggs, toy, coffee, cup, salt, sugar, and fork. For group 5, read the following count nouns and mass nouns. Choose the noun that doesn't belong to the group. Number 1, soup, coffee, egg. 2, water, apple, toy. 3, vinegar, patis, chicken. 4, shampoo, lotion, detergent soap. 5, sand, rice, biscuit. Here are the possible answers for group 1. For group 2, group 3, group 4, and group 5. For day 2, look at the pictures and determine if the given noun is a count noun or a mass noun. Write your answers in the table that follows. Here are the pictures. Let us now answer. For count nouns, we have flour, pencil. Mass nouns, salt, rice, and sugar. Do you want people around you to always call your name? How will you feel if they will repeatedly call or say your name? Instead of repeatedly calling or saying the name of a person, we can use other words to replace them. Do you know this word? We call this word pronoun. What is a pronoun? Let's discuss about singular and plural subject personal pronoun. After studying nouns, we are going to study another part of a speech, which is the pronoun. We also need to study the subject personal pronouns used as a singular and plural. Example: Jonathan is an industrious boy. Jonathan wakes up early in the morning. Jonathan waters the plants every afternoon. Jonathan can even sweep the floor before going to school. Jonathan washes the dishes. Jonathan reviews his lessons before going to bed. Celia is an amazing person. Celia always wears a smile on her face. Celia brightens the faces of people she meets. Celia is also helpful. Celia is willing to help anybody who is in need. Celia is also creative. Celia is good at painting and drawing. Celia has a strong self-confidence. Celia does not give up easily, even during hard times. Celia is admirable. That is why Celia is my best friend. She is used to substitute for Celia. She is an example of a subject personal pronoun. She is used as the subject of the sentence. Celia is a noun, while she is a pronoun. She, he, they, it are examples of subject personal pronouns. Personal pronouns are words used in place of nouns in sentences. What other personal pronouns do you know? The following are examples of subject personal pronouns. For the person, first, singular I, plural we. For the second person, you. Third person, she, he, it. And its plural is they. When using personal pronouns to replace nouns, it is important to choose the correct pronoun based on the number of the subject. The subject may be singular. referring to one person or thing, or plural, referring to more than one person or thing. Complete the sentence by writing the correct personal pronoun. Blank is big. 2. Blank is a veterinarian. 3. Blank are cute. 4. Blank is kind. 5. Blank is red. Here are the correct answers. Here are sentences with missing words that can be replaced by personal pronouns. Example, Anne is baking a cake. Blank is baking a cake. Father goes to the farm. Blank goes to the farm. Mother cooks breakfast. Blank cooks breakfast. For number 1, she. Next is he. Mother, she. Write sentences using personal pronouns. Example, she is my best friend. Here are possible answers. Use a correct noun to complete the sentence. Blank is my younger brother. He is my younger brother. The possible answer is Gavin. For day 3. What do you do to help your parents when they're at home? What work do you do at home? What do you clean, sweep, wash, cook, and wipe? Let's discuss about regular and irregular verbs. What do you call the underlined words? These words are action words. We call them verbs. Today, we are going to study regular and irregular verbs. Do you know the difference between regular verbs and irregular verbs? Regular verbs are verbs whose past tense versions are formed by adding an ed to the end, such as walk, climb, decide, describe, drop, want, call, and beg. A simple past sentence contains only the past tense verb, as in, she walked to school. Irregular verbs are verbs that form their past but do not change their spelling, and instead retain the same spelling as the present form. They are also called irregular verbs. Here are examples of present. Heat and its past is heat. Read, read. Put, put. Cat, cat. Encircle the correct form of the verb. Choose your answer from the parentheses. 1. The pupils arrives early to school. They prepared their things before going to a vacation. He loves to play basketball. The boy gave her a letter yesterday. I caught a fish in the school pond the other day. Here are the correct answers. Arrive, prepare, loves, gave, and caught. Put a check mark if the verb is a regular verb and cross mark if not. Cry, go, sell, clean, and wash. Here are the correct answers. Write the past form of these verbs. Sell, cook, tell, eat, and go. Sell is sold. Cook, cooked. Tell, told. Eat, ate. Go, went. For day 4. Subject-verb agreement. The verb must always agree with its number. If the subject is singular, the verb must be in singular form. If the subject is plural, the verb must also be in plural form. We will study the correct subject-verb agreement to avoid confusion. Example: John is playing basketball. John is a singular subject. That's why its verb is singular as well. Next, John and Jake, plural subject, are plural verb. The boy dances. Boy is a singular subject. That's why singular verb is being used, which is dances. The boys dance. Boys are plural subject. The verb is dance. It is a plural verb. Fill in the blank with the correct form of the verb. Ray makes his project with his father. 2. The fisherman returns for their safety. The learners enjoys their presentation on the stage. Franny and I take pictures of the hills. The conductor calls the passengers. Here are the correct answers: makes, return, enjoy, take, calls. Write the correct form of verb to complete the sentences. Anna water blank the plants every day. Mother cooked blank delicious breakfast for us this morning. We brush blank our teeth every after meal. Lisa walked blank to school. Lino climbed blank the guava tree. Here are the correct answers: waters, cooks, brush, walks, climbs. For your formative assessment, read the sentences carefully, then write the plural form of the underlined word. That old tree is my favorite. The dog barked loudly at the strangers. She noticed one brown egg in the poultry. The dog chased the cat. The child found the lost wallet. Here are the correct answers: trees, dogs, eggs, cats, and children. Read each sentence carefully, then determine whether the underlined noun is a count noun or mass noun. We will buy a chocolate cake. Milk is good for our body. My mother likes to put honey on the bread. We enjoy a warm soup on rainy days. Father asked for a cup of coffee. Here are the correct answers. Choose the correct personal pronouns to complete the sentences. He, I, they is the captain of the basketball team. She, we, you goes to the plaza. He, she, it always helps his brother with his homework. It, you, we was a fantastic performance on the stage. I, she, you are to invited to my children's party. Here are the correct answers. Use the correct verb to complete the sentences. The birds sing sweetly in the tree. A colorful butterfly fly high in the garden now. The river flows calmly through the valley. The learners studies their lesson every tonight. My friend and I will plays volleyball this Saturday. Here are the correct answers.